Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola One Vision, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification screen. So get started by choosing any kind of other language apart from English. It needs to have a different kind of keyboard, so let's say Greek right here, and then let's just progress to the setup as you would normally do. Now I'm gonna connect to Wi-Fi, so give me a second. So once you connect to Wi-Fi, if you have any kind of other Wi-Fi near you, can choose to tap on it. If you don't, and yours is the only one, then you will need to progress to the part where your device is locked. But if you do, just tap on anyone that has password, and once you do, it pops out the keyboard. So hold the globe there, change it to QWERTY, hold it on some more. Go into the settings right here by tapping on the last option, choose the settings here, and then I'm going to tap on the first option, add it, and tap right here again, choose the second option here, and again add, and we can now go back to the first page and change the language to English. Get started. And I'm gonna go back because that brings me to Wi-Fi. So again, same process. You want to have a keyboard. If you can get it here, then do it. If you don't have the option to, you can just progress to the verify Google account page and then tap on the field and do it from there. So once more, let's hold globe icon, go to language settings, tap on add keyboard, and scroll down to any option that has an arrow, so like this right here, and then tap on the three dots and go into help and feedback. In the search right here, you want to type in a Morse code. There we go. So use Morse code. Tap on the video itself, it will start loading, it gives you the three dot option right here, and from here you can tap on watch later, which will open up the browser. So accept and continue here, and no thanks. And tap on the search bar up here and navigate into HardReset.info. Now once the site loads, tap in the corner and choose download category, and in the download search field type in Android 7.1.2. Tap on the download right here, scroll down, and hold this option, choose open in incognito, tab, download, OK, and wait for it to finish downloading. And then tap on open, choose settings, and set this to be on, so allow from this source, and you can then go back and choose install. Now once it's done installing, let's tap on open right here. Okay, and it stops working, so that's fine. Close, and then go back once more. And then in the search bar right here, you want to search for settings. And again, same process, download, hold the option right here and choose open incognito tab, confirm that, and open, install, and open once more. And from here, you want to go into apps and notifications, tap on the see all 35, and from here three dots and show system, and scroll down till you see Google. Okay, so there we go. So you have Google Play Services right here. Disable app, go back, Google Play Store, disable app, and go back once more and once more. And then in the settings page, you want to go into accounts, tap add account, choose Google, and in here simply log in with your Google account. Now if you don't have one, you can always create it and then use it to log in. I do, so I don't need to create anything. So that's what I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna put in a password. Next, and just tap I agree. And from here, let's go back to apps and notifications, see all 35 and show system, and again scroll down to the apps that we have disabled. So there we go, Google Play Services, enable, go back, and then Google Play Store, enable, and from here simply hold power, restart, and let's wait for the device to boot back up. Now you want to basically go through the setup process of the device, skipping as much as you can. And here, that's previously the screen that will tell us that we need to verify the previous account. And here it now just tells us account added. So let's just tap on next and progress through it to gain access to home screen. Now, as you can see, the app will be crashing, so just keep tapping close app and disregard this. We'll get rid of it soon enough. Accept and continue. And we should now be on the home screen. Disregard this again. So from here, let's go into the settings. Scroll all the way down to System, Advanced, and choose Reset Options, where you will find Erase All Data Factory Reset, and select Erase All Data. And this will basically remove account that we have added and the old account that was blocking us, along with the apps that are now crashing, and in the process also fully unlock the device. And now that the process is finished, let's go to the setup process once more, and this time around you can set it up as however you like, although I'll again skip as much as I can just to get over with this video. And there we go. As you can see, the device is now fully unlocked. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.